If you want to remove this fuel tank, yes, first you need to remove this screw and this screw. After removing them, there is a screw on the side cover and one screw below here. Then remove the seat and there is a screw. Here is the air filter. There is still space to remove these two screws. And here is a screw. This one. This one. Then remove it. If you want to remove the air filter. If you want to remove the air filter, it's these two screws. After removing these two screws, open the small cover on the side to remove the air. There are screws fixing the air filter inside. Loosen screws. After removing them, you can pull the air filter down. The reason I'm removing it is because my idle speed motor is broken. Idle speed motor. It doesn't work. Its action is directly unstable. And the amplitude is small, so I replaced it with a new one. I'll replace it and try again to see if it works, to see if it can idle. Its fault is that when you need to start your motorcycle, you have to add a little gas to start it. If you block all the oil, it can't start. It can't start normally. It will directly turn off. For example, when waiting for the traffic light, if you release the throttle, it will directly stall. So it's the idle speed motor that's the problem. This indicates that the idle motor is faulty. Now the idle speed motor has been installed. Let's try to see if it can start normally. After replacing the idle motor, the idle speed display is very stable. I hope that when you are riding, if such a problem occurs, you can use this video to repair it